Hello guys, this is Cyrus from SciTech Media. Today we are going to see a brand new video regarding watching the TikTok videos even after the ban from Government of India. So now I am opening the TikTok app and it is opening as usual, but since the network server is not connected in it, it will not load any videos, no more videos in TikTok app, so it is showing no network connection. So the trick what we are going to do is follow the complete video. I'll show you. So download, minimize it and open your Play Store. In the Play Store, in the search bar, type ExpressVPN and search for ExpressVPN. It will be the first app which has a blue rocket symbol. Since I have already installed, it is asking me to open around, so you have to click open and it will, your mobile will be loading that app. In that there will be an option in the top corner, it will say connect now. So now the free servers are loaded. Select the Indonesia server which is present right above the bottom. So it will automatically get connected through this VPN server. After it is getting connected, you will have a VPN symbol in your status bar in the top of your mobile. So now the Indonesian server has been connected. So now minimize your current software and then go to the Chrome browser which is present under Google tab in your mobile phone. So in the Google Chrome, give your address which is tiktok.com. The tiktok.com will load like normal days because the connected server is through an Indonesian server and not from an Indian server. So the tiktok.com will specifically work. So in it, if you click the watch now option, the TikTok videos will be loading like normal. The user interface will be quite normal like the app which you are using. There will be a lot of options, more options what you have seen in the app, the same as you swipe up to see the next video. But the little disconnection is the videos loading will be very slow comparing to the app, because in the app the videos will be preloaded automatically, but since it's a web page, the loading might be slow in some of your devices based on your internet connection. So all the activities, all the programs will be same as what you are using in your app. You can also log into your My Account option to see your own posted videos, what you have posted once you have using TikTok. You can also view your own videos. I will also post a video regarding downloading your videos from this TikTok after the ban from Government of India. So let's see whether my videos are playing. And yeah, my videos are playing quite normal. The only thing you will feel is you will have some lag in loading next videos. In the app there will be some automatic reloading option of the videos, but here since it is a web server and since it is a Chrome browser, the app loading will be little slow. The main thing you have to do after this is delete your TikTok. Since we are not doing this for us or our friends, we are doing this for India. So just use it for viewing your videos alone. Thank you. Thanks for that.